Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to HealMyTech, helping you read. So inshallah today we're going to do lesson 2, which in our PDF is going to be lesson 11 and it's called echo letters. In Arabic, in Tajweed rule, we call this rule Qalqalah, which means to bounce or to echo. Now, if you've just stumbled on this video and you're wondering why we're doing this kind of lesson in this format, go back and check out my other video, which is to do with the introduction and why we chose to do this structure. So I've uploaded 2 before this. One is about the introduction to the resources we're using, and the other one is the first lesson about Surah An Nas and the rule of Ghunnah, inshallah. So let's get back to this lesson today. As usual, all the resources we're using is going to be in the description below, inshallah. So if you open your PDF and it's on page 16 of your Tajweed Made Easy. So lesson 11, echo letters, bracket, Qalqalah. If you see the following 5 letters in the Quran with a sukoon on top, then make an echo sound. Similarly, if you stop on any of these 5 letters and it becomes a sakin, then we will make an echo sound. Now, echo is also known as bouncing. We have 5 letters: Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, and Dal. There's an acronym for it if you want to remember. At the bottom, it says Qutbu Jad. Qutbu Jad. So, Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, and Dal. Easy. Those 5 letters, we call them Qalqalah letters. So when there's a sukoon on them and you're going to pronounce it, you're going to bounce the letter. Okay, let's give you an example. First word for Qaf, Uqsimu, Uqsimu. Now, the Qalqalah letters, naturally, you have to bounce them to pronounce them. Let's see what happens if you try not to bounce them at all. I'll try it with the Qaf. Nothing happens because you have not released the sound, okay? Same thing with Ba. I'm going to try to say the Ba without opening my lips afterwards. Ab. Nothing happens. So Ab, then the sound gets pronounced. So naturally they have Qalqalah. However, the proper way to do the Qalqalah on these is to release the sound and not to release the air, right? So we actually trap the air, not the sound. I'll give you an example. Let's go back to Qaf. If I say Qalqalah with a wrong tajweed, it will be like this. I'm adding air at the end, which is called hams. And it's the opposite you have to do. Trap the air, let the sound release, which is why it makes the echo sound. So again, simu. Okay? So let's go through the various words as examples, inshallah. So, Uqsimu, Khalaqna. Okay? Now, in the second column, you have examples of end of a verse. So, the word khalaqa, if you're going to pause or stop on it, the last letter qaf, because it has a haraka of fatha, it will become a sakin. So, if khalaqa is met, you're going to read, if you pause or stop, you're going to say khalaq. Khalaq. And remember, don't do hams. Don't say khalaq, khalaq. Okay? And also don't hold it because it would not sound like a qalqalah letter. Don't say khalaq. You have to let it go. Release the sound, inshallah. Right. So let's go through each of the rest of the letters and then we're going to go to Surah Al Falaq. Okay. Ta. At'amahum. Next. Tathiran. Muhitun becomes muhit. Muhit. Next, ba. Hablun. Hablun. Qabalika. Kasaba becomes kasab. Kasab. Next, Jim. Tajri. Tajri. Fajri. Fajri. Buruji becomes buruj. Buruj. Okay? Buruj. And the last letter, dal. Qad. Qad. قد أفلح قد أفلح لم يلد Okay, and the last word, ahadun, ahadun becomes ahad, ahad. Okay, so to remember the 5 letters of Qalqalah, all you have to do is memorize the word below. It has made into one word for you and therefore is easy to remember. It's also called an acronym. Qutubu jad, qutubu jad, qaf, ta, ba, jim and dal, inshallah. So I hope this was quite clear. There are more to the rules of Qalqalah, more advanced level, but for now, this is enough to try and better your pronunciation and your recitation, inshallah. So next, we're going to be listening to Surah Al Falaq and we're going to be applying the rule of Qalqalah. Now, first, I'm going to just go through the words with you and then we'll listen to the recitation, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Surah Al Falaq. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. فلق فلق. من شر ما خلق. خلق خلق. ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب. وقب قب. ومن شر النفاثات في العقد. عقد عقد. ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. حسد حسد. Okay, inshallah, so now let's try to listen to the recitation in full. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. من شر ما خلق. ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب. ومن شر النفاثات في العقد. ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. Okay, so alhamdulillah, this is the end of today's lesson, and just to recap, we've learned that there are 5 letters of Qalqalah and there's an acronym for them, Qutubu jad, and the way to do the Qalqalah is you have to trap the air and release the sound. Okay, with a lot of practice, inshallah, you're going to get to perfect that. There is a more advanced level for this Qalqalah. This is just a basic understanding of how to pronounce Qalqalah and how to make your Tajweed better. So inshallah, in our next lesson, we're going to be doing Surah Al Ikhlas, and in there, the rule is going to be the word Allah, the ruling of the word Allah. And in the PDF, it's lesson 12. So stay tuned for that one. Okay, so Jazakallahu khairan for watching till now. If you have any comments or questions, leave them for me below. Also remember, we've just started doing this series, so we want to continue and finish the whole book, Your Tajweed Made Easy. So if you want to share this video for those who you think will benefit from it, and also subscribe and give us a comment or any constructive criticism. And if there isn't any mistake, this is from me and Shaitan, but if there's any benefit from it, this is from Allah, so take it, inshallah. And lastly, as you may know, I also have a tech channel called HealMyTech, which has got nothing to do with Islam or Tajweed, but it's completely separate, it's its own thing. So please check it out. I'm going to put a link above and in the description below, and do subscribe to that if you feel it will benefit you. Jazakallahu khairan for watching. This was Ash from HealMyTech, helping you read. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.